It's inspired by a friend of mine. He was a fine young talent. People loved to hear him sing. The blues got a hold of him, and he's never been the same. People look down on him with pity as they frown. They don't understand what brought him so far down. He's a whiskey wounded soul. He never thought it'd go this far. A whiskey wounded soul. Now he's living with the sky. Where are the dreams that he once held so tight? He relives the past as he walks the streets at night. He's no longer welcome at the bar he once called home. But he's found family at the park. He's one of their own. He's a whiskey wounded soul. He never thought it'd go this far. A whiskey wounded soul. Now he's living with the sky. He hasn't seen a sober night since the day his woman died. That was back in '95. It's a wonder that he's still alive. He still plays a show or two every now and then. Has to borrow a guitar from one of his old friends. He sings the same old songs like 100 times before. Dreams of being a star, they don't matter anymore. He's a whiskey wounded soul. Never thought it'd go this far. A whiskey wounded soul. Now he's living with the sky.
I realize this might be an unpopular opinion of my own, but they haven't kicked me out for doing it yet, so it's just... Don't drink beer, tell me man I ain't